Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a super low mileage SEAT Arona FR with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the 7-speed DSG gearbox. Now this car has only done 2,684 miles, so it's almost 18 months old, so it's an insanely low mileage vehicle. So let's give you a short video walk around. Now the first thing you see when you go inside the FR is the sports seats with the red stitching, and that's mirrored with the red air vent surrounds and also the stitching around the steering wheel. Now the Arona is such a popular vehicle with us. Plenty of space, so seating for 5 people, split folding rear seats, as well as ISOFIX points as well. Lovely 17-inch alloy wheels, disc brakes all the way around, rear parking sensors, and lovely bit of practicality here as well. You have 2 levels for the boot floor, so if I lift the level up, slide the boot floor back slightly, then push it forward, it then shows you a lower boot floor. So carrying larger objects means that there's a bit more space for you. Twin exhaust pipe looking at the back, as well as this lovely blue and black flecked seat trim. Now, with this vehicle only covering such a short amount of miles, it is in lovely condition. It really is. The seats are unmarked, as you'd expect, and when we jump inside, so you see the steering wheel, you see the handbrake, which is leather, the gear selector, which is leather. You have a wireless phone charger as well as climate control, a lovely big media system with touchscreen navigation and plenty of different displays. So you can personalise that depending on what your preference will be. Now this model also has cruise control. You have paddle shift for the automatic gearbox, that's the ones there on the left hand side, as well as the other selector on the right. There we go. And the main buttons on the wheel allow you to adjust the display in behind the steering column. Automatic headlights, which are full LED as well, so brilliant this time of year when it's very dark. And this one is finished in black metallic, so it really looks the part. So if you're interested in this vehicle, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with another video next time. Bye bye.